How to remove link from Instagram bio. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove ring from your Instagram bio on both Android and iOS devices. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Instagram app. Then you have to go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. And then once you're on your profile, tap on edit profile. Then here tap on links, and here you will see your links. So tap on the link that you want to remove, and then here you will see remove link option. Tap on it and tap on remove, and that link is removed. Now go back and tap on this check in the top right corner to save the changes. And so this is how you can remove link from your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching.